Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, the next big productivity advancement in engineering. Global Edge Engineering Assistant is a groundbreaking virtual engineering assistant built around SolidWorks that is designed to revolutionize engineering and manufacturing workflows to significantly increase engineering capacity, streamline processes, and improve overall productivity, with 6 innovative steps. At the core of the Global Edge Engineering Assistant is its ability to automatically and rapidly examine CAD models, focusing on part geometry, material specifications, and critical design attributes. The software identifies manufacturability parameters and flags potential design issues early in the process. The captured CAD part parameters serve as critical inputs for a series of automated tasks that include manufacturability testing, automated bend program generation, automated routing, and sales quote generation. A core feature of Global Edge Engineering Assistant is manufacturability testing. This automated check scans CAD models for common design errors that could hinder production or result in costly rework. The testing process includes, but is not limited to, the following checks. Validation of bend angles and flange sizes to ensure they are within manufacturing capabilities. Assessment of press brake tonnage limits to prevent exceeding equipment specifications. Verification of the placement and size of PEM holes, embossments, louvers, tapers, and die cutouts. Detection of other manufacturability issues that could impact fabrication efficiency or quality. One of the core strengths of Global Edge Engineering Assistant is its ability to process both individual and multiple sheet metal parts with equal efficiency. Whether preparing a single prototype or a large production batch, the Global Edge software automates the unfolding and preparation of CAD models. Batch processing capabilities allow users to select entire assemblies or folders of parts. This batch approach is ideal for high-mix, low-volume production environments and supports rapid scaling when production demand increases. Key functionality incorporates adding extended data directly into DXF flat files to drive automated bend program generation. This includes information such as material, thickness, bend radius, matching bend process, scheduling data to facilitate CAM program and schedule generation for machine tools such as laser cutters, turret punches, and bending machines. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes a powerful plug-and-play configuration engine that generates detailed routing steps and sales quotes based on part geometry, material, and required operations. Automated cost roll-ups consider labor, material, and machine time, delivering accurate quotes in minutes rather than hours. The configuration engine runs in the background to generate routing steps based on CAD part parameters. This includes selections based on cost and/or process time such as turret punch versus laser cutter. The culmination of this automated process includes the ability to generate sales quotes for simple to complex parts and assemblies. Global Edge includes integration with most CRM systems and Microsoft Outlook. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes an advanced plug-and-play configuration engine, which seamlessly adapts to your existing workflow, providing unparalleled flexibility and integration capabilities for engineering and manufacturing teams. The Global Edge configuration engine can function independently or integrate with a variety of platforms, including sales configurators, web portals, and quoting spreadsheets. A key feature of the Global Edge configuration engine is its automated part numbering rules, which enable the creation of smart or semi-smart part numbers for configured components. This includes the generation of comprehensive bills of materials, detailed routings, accurate cost roll-ups, and part parameters essential for resizing and creating 3D CAD models seamlessly from templates within SolidWorks. Global Edge Engineering Assistant includes a production work queue that automates the preparation of shop floor data with the generation of DXF flat files with extended data to facilitate automated CAM program generation for bending and nesting. This includes the automated generation of a complete manufacturing bill of materials, and optimal routing steps to facilitate scheduling, which minimizes setup time and reduces production downtime. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.